Hey there, Rachel Krevling here. You've seen the comment below and I'll send you the link call to action all over social media. And today I'm going to show you how to do it. For the seasoned marketers out there, we're talking about streamlining your moderation and improving your conversion rates. For the people who are just getting started, this is one of the easiest automations to set up. Warning, it might make you fall in love with AI and automation because it's so simple and it works so well. Today we're talking about Manychat, and I'm going to walk you through the setup of an account and how to create your first automation. And it's only going to take like 3 minutes. Before we start, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel. It's not easy getting to your first 1,000 subscribers, but we are not giving up. So hit that button, please. Okay, let's go. Begin by going to the Manychat website and clicking Get Started. We're going to begin with Instagram. I will also be showing you how to do Facebook Messenger. Your screen might look a little differently if you've never logged in before, but just move through the prompts to allow the software to access your profile. And then I always like to try the full suite of services by activating a free trial. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it. Let's skip past the part where I pay for it, and you're going to move to the screen where it asks you a few questions. This is just to help get it set up to best serve your needs, so answer them however you see fit. All right, we're all set, so click Let's Start. We're going to choose the most popular option, which is to send a DM when someone comments on your post. And take a look here. If you don't have the Pro option, you have to manually set the post choice. So that kind of ruins the whole automation element. We're going to choose the Pro option. The word we're going to use is cruise. Of course, you set up any word you want. You can use multiple words, customize it to your needs. And then we're going to set up some public replies. It's always good to reply to comments anyway. That's a nice little engagement booster there. But if we can automate it, even better. And you can see on the lower right, there's no next button. You actually click that upper left back button. And then we move on to the second step. This is what you're going to send in the actual DM. Once again, you can make it say anything you want. Next, you're going to click on what happens when they get that DM. So it's already set up to send a link, but you can change that if you want to do something else. Customize, once again, lots of customization here. Setup always takes longer than anything else, but once you've done it one time, you are going to be moving so much faster because you can duplicate them instead of start from scratch. So you can see I'm just filling in the content here. I always love a custom link. You can track better. Go ahead and click Done. Again, check it over, make sure you like it. Let's hit that preview button. Looking good. Test it out. Okay, that is the link we wanted. Let's set it live. Awesome. Now let's go see how it looks when someone DMs us from a phone. Okay, so I've logged into a client account here. I'm going to go to the post and make the comment. You can see I've already been here myself to test it. So I know it's going to work. All right, let's go to the messages. Let's see what came through. Just what we expected. Try out the link. Perfect. We hope everybody replies. It's great for the engagement, right? Okay, so I said I'd show you how to do it on Facebook. Let's do that. You go into your account section, click Add New, choose Facebook Messenger. Now, by now you've already logged in, so all the Facebook pages you manage are visible. We're going to choose the one we want. Each time you attach a new account, it's going to ask you if you want to pay or if you want it for free. Since we just did a paid one, I'll show you what a free one looks like. Same thing though, you're going to walk through those setup steps every single time you make an account. So that could be a slight drawback budget-wise because that's $15 a month for every single account. Okay, so here we go. Let's click the automations. And they have lots of templates, but in this case, we'll just create something from scratch because it's just the simple 1-2. Someone comments, we send a DM. It's going to look very similar to any setup you've done in Instagram. Differences with the Facebook, you'll see here it's going to load all of the posts you've already made. If you have a pro account, you can set it to choose any post or future post, but in this case, we're going to choose a previous post. I'm using the word villa here. Again, you can use anything you want. I'm going to toggle on the option to send replies. If someone makes a comment, we want to reply to them. You can customize what it says. Of course, this is public. I'm also going to check the box that says like the comments. Any opportunity to have some automated engagement should be taken, in my humble opinion. Go ahead and update the then action. So what happens when they leave a comment? Well, then we send them a DM. It can be pretty much anything you want. I'm going to set it up to send the link to the website because that's the call to action in that post, but yours could be any number of things. Once again, you'll see I'm using a custom code. If you use a site like Bitly, which is actually free, recommend it highly, you can track your content so much better that way. Let's close it and preview it. And that is exactly what we want to see. Working beautifully. Let's set it live, and we are in business. Pretty simple, right? I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, it would mean so much to me if you subscribed. It only takes 2 seconds. Do it. Do it. Just do it.